Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are back in the city of Corona. Why? Because you requested it. The last video we did in Corona has been doing amazing. So guess what? We're gonna give the people, what we're gonna give them?
What they want.
Exactly, we'll give you exactly what you want, guys. Today, guys, we're back in the city of Corona and we're gonna be showing you 3 new builds in the community called Harper by Taylor Morrison in Bedford, guys. So stay tuned, we're gonna get right into it today.
So if this is your first time visiting us on our channel and you want to know more information about cities like this in Corona or just any other cities in Southern California, do us a favor. Smash the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about cities like this in Corona or just any other cities in sunny Southern California.
Exactly, guys. My name's Will. It's my partner Ian. Together, guys, we are the SoCal Property Brothers. Yeah. So again, guys, today back in the city of Corona. Corona's super famous. I mean, it must be famous because that's what everybody wants to see on the channel.
People want to see Corona.
So we'll stay in Corona as long as you guys want us to stay in Corona. But today we're going to show you, this is Taylor Morrison. Super nice community. I mean, these new builds, I mean, they look really good.
Yeah.
Hardwood floors throughout. I mean, everything, like all the bells and whistles, guys. So super excited to bring this one to you guys. So without further ado, man, let's get right into it.
Let's get into it.
Let's go.
Welcome back, everybody. We're here at Residence 1. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,466 square feet property offered at just over $863,000. Come on, let's go ahead and take a look. So we're walking in, and we're walking straight, and we have the living room, dining room situation with the kitchen also. So to the left, we're going to start off with the kitchen. Plenty of cabinetry, as you can see. Deep basin sink. Microwave, stove.
What's that, marble or granite?
I think that's quartz.
Okay.
Like quartz.
Yeah, there you go, quartz.
I think that's quartz. And we have a pantry. Good sized pantry. Moving on, we have once again more cabinetry, desk space, refrigerator. This is not the $10,000 refrigerator. This is still good though. It's still clean.
See the last video for the $10,000
See the last
fridge.
video. And then we have the dining area right here. Good space. This one serves about 6 people. You can fit about an 8 to 10 person dining room space in. Then we are headed outside. Go ahead and take a quick look. And then we're walking in the living room. Now, this is a great space, living room. Easily can fit 10 people comfortably. Great for entertainment. We're going to walk through again. We happen to just miss the bedroom. There's a bedroom down here. What do we call it? The mother-in-law suite. The guest room, equipped with a shower, full bath, and then we have a room with the closet. Now we're going to head upstairs. Now we are upstairs. Immediately to the right, we have the washroom. Washer and dryer, plenty of space for cabinetry. Then we're walking to the loft, the upstairs loft. Check out this area. You hear the music? And it's a vibe. I love it. And we're walking through. Now we're going to get to the other bedrooms. We're going to start off to the left. Bedroom number 1 upstairs. Pretty good size. Laid out for the nursery, has a closet, pretty simple stuff. Then, we're gonna walk into here. This is the primary suite. Huge space. Take a look. And we're walking. And in the middle of your closet, the walkway between your closet, we have his and her sinks, a shower, toilet, and this is what you're waiting for, right here, the walk-in closet. Take a look at the walk-in closet. And now we're exiting the primary suite. We're gonna go to the left. We have the bathroom, tub, shower, right next to the 3rd bedroom upstairs. pretty easy stuff. Great space. And that's it. This is residence number 1. We'll see you at residence number 2. Welcome back, everybody. We are now at residence 2. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,681 square foot property, offered at just over $880. Let's go ahead and check it out. Walking in, and immediately we have a great space. Now, I don't necessarily think this is a bedroom because there's no closet, but this is a great space right here for our office, loft, playroom for the kids, whatever you like. Head over here to the right, we have the garage door. We have bedroom number 1 downstairs.
I like how this is sectioned off because it's almost like its own suite in the house.
Yes, yes, you can put a door right there and essentially be on your own. We come equipped with a bathroom and shower. Then we're walking through to the right, all the way in. We have the living room, dining room, and kitchen. I love the flow of this. I love the flow. I've mentioned it many times before, but whenever you're able to have your family all in one room while you're cooking and dining and entertaining, it's always a good time. So we have the kitchen here, room for bar stools on the other side here, quartz countertops. Now this is a little more expensive than the last one, a little more expensive refrigerator. And once again, walking in the living room. And just outside of the living room, we have the backyard. Now it's time to head upstairs. Now we're upstairs. We're going to save the primary last. We have a loft area immediately when you come upstairs. Great space for that big TV. And we're walking in the hallway. Washer and dryer upstairs. Love this room. Love it when it's upstairs. And then we're walking to the other rooms. And we have here desk space. And bedroom number 1 upstairs. This is huge. Look how big this is.
It's a big one.
For twins.
Yeah, I haven't seen one this big.
Yeah, we haven't seen one this big in a while.
And it not be the primary.
Right, and not be the main one. And then we have a bathroom separating the 2 rooms. And then here's bedroom number 2. Football theme, sports theme. Then we're walking in the hallway. Once again, back room. To the left is the loft. Now we're entering the primary, which you've all been waiting for. Look at it. Look at this window. Pros, you have a huge window. Cons, you're looking into someone else's huge window. And here is the bathroom. Shower with 2 benches, his and her sinks, a toilet closet right here, and a walk-in closet. That's it for residence number 2. Now let's go ahead and check out residence number 3.
All right, guys, so here we are at the plan 3, well, residence 3. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2840 square feet, guys. Come on in, let's take a look. Uh-oh, simply amazing. Simply amazing. As we come in, guys, exactly like right when you walk in, to the right, beautiful, spacious bedroom, in-law suite. I love that the bedrooms, all of them in all of these plans, have a bedroom and bath downstairs. So if you have older relatives living with you, in-laws you don't have anything to do with, you can put them all downstairs. And then as we walk into the living room area, we're still going with the open concept, guys, but also what I love is, again, you can tell they used an amazing designer, because I would have never thought to do this, right? The paneling on the wall, some amazing furniture in here, but I just love how everything complements itself and everything's wide open. I love the light quartz countertops with the dark cabinets and the silver finishes. 4-burner oven. I don't know how much it costs, guys, but it looks expensive. Only thing I don't really like is I feel like it's low. You feel like it's low?
You're a tall dude.
Yeah, I feel like everything's a little low. But other than that, I mean, refrigerator, really, really nice. Like really nice appliances, really nice walk-in spacious pantry. Again, guys, this is the top of the line. So this is their plan 3. They always save the best for last, and we always save the best for last for you guys. So let's go on upstairs and see some more. You know what? Also, guys, there's another bathroom down here that I did not see. So this is the public bathroom. So this is a powder room down here. Yeah, that's a powder room. Looks like a toilet to me. Here we go, guys. We're starting to see a theme here. All of them have these really nice loft spaces, right? So this is where you can keep the kids and keep downstairs clean, keep everybody up here. This one is like almost like a triplex right here, man. You have your washroom here. We have one bedroom here, and then next to it we have 2 other bedrooms, guys. So here's one that's kind of laid out for a baby. Smaller spaces, so much smaller rooms. Not as big as some of the ones we saw in the last model. Let's take a look at the primary. Here we go. That's why they saved all the space for this room. I think I hear an echo. I think I hear an echo, guys. This is really nice. I love the colors. I love the design details. And then spacious master bathroom, guys. If you're in LA, if you're in the city of LA, you got to come out to Corona, guys, because you can't fathom any of this. This is about as big as your whole apartment would be. Look at this walk-in closet. This is huge. I didn't even think it was this deep. Amazing, guys. So that's plan 3.
Thank you guys for touring the Residence 1, 2, and 3 at the Taylor Morrison community right here in Corona. If you guys have more information, remember, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about communities here in Corona, or just any other communities in Southern California.
Thank you guys so much for staying tuned in. I mean, if you stayed to the end, you are a very special person.
Yeah,
you're a very special person if you stayed to the end. So we definitely appreciate that. I hope you guys really enjoyed what you saw. Again, Corona has done well for us. It seems like this is what you guys want to see, so we will definitely stay here. Again, shoot us a call, send us a text, drop us an email if you're interested in buying, selling, investing in Southern California. We'd love to help you. Property Brothers out.
See ya.
Stick around. Today we're going to show you 3 No, you want to try the beginning?
Hell no, I'm gonna be your friend.
Is that how much they cost?